Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Danielle Jones. I'm a makeup and hairstylist, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do beach waves on my client, Emily Simpson, who's on the Real Housewives of Orange County TV show. Hope you enjoy. So what I'm doing at first is brushing through her hair, making sure it's nice and smooth. And then I'm sectioning off a section on the bottom, which I'm going to start with first, and clipping the rest of her hair up. Once I do this, I'm going to take about a 1 to 1.5 inch section each. And I take the curling iron, wrap it around the barrel, going away from her ear on the right side. And once the top section sets in, I pull the barrel down and continue going down the hair with leaving about 1 to 1.5 inches of the hair outside on the bottom. The little tip stays out of the iron. And as you do this, what that does is create a little undone look on the bottom portion. So again, I'm going backwards away from the ear, wrapping around the barrel. After the first section sets, I pull the hair down, pull the iron down on the hair and release it, and let the bottom section set in. Again, while keeping that tip out. And I have to sometimes use a straightener to straighten out some of her curly pieces on the bottom, so that's what I'm doing in between. And then I'm taking the next section and doing the same exact thing. I'm gonna work backwards away from the ear. So if you're right-handed, you wanna hold the iron on the right side away from your right ear. And then for the left side, it's kind of tricky, but you have to switch your hand position to get the left side. So with your right hand, you'll pull your hand over your forehead and hold the iron backwards. That is how you will get it from the left side. If you're left-handed, you're obviously gonna have to switch that and do it on the right side with your hand over your forehead. So just practice with this, you will get the hang of it and it'll come a lot easier. I'm using a 1.5 inch curling iron on her. You could use a 2 inch, you could use a 1 inch, whatever you prefer. It'll give you a different look though, the size of the waves, but it's totally up to you. And what's great about this hairstyle is you can wear the waves for the first day and they can look tighter, you know, more put together, but the second day, once you sleep in it, becomes really relaxed and beautiful. So my favorite is actually the second day having beach waves in my hair. Here's a back view of what we're doing. So same thing, just twisting around the barrel, leaving that 1 inch to 1.5 inch out at the bottom. And Emily doesn't like any product in her hair. She doesn't like a lot of hairsprays. She likes to wear the look for a few days, and it actually does stay in her hair. So all I'm using at the end is a little Moroccan oil to smooth through the pieces when I brush it out. And I really only finger through the hair with my fingers. I don't use an actual brush. If you want to use a paddle brush, you can, but you're going to get a very relaxed beach look and a lot of the curl will fall out. If you are going to set it with hairspray, I love using Garnier Fructis's flexible hold hairspray, because what that does is it allows the whole, the hair to set and hold, but still I can always finger through it, brush through my hair, and it doesn't have that tangly hairsprayed feel to it. So that's one of my favorite hairsprays to use on this type of look because it keeps the hair relaxed and flexible. You can also use a texture spray. So here's the final product with our beautiful beach waves. They will stay for days on Emily. They look gorgeous. Again, I finger through them to just pull them out a little bit. And she's all set. She actually wore this look to Miami, and you'll see the makeup I did on her in just a second. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow, subscribe, please comment, let me know whatever else you want to see, and share with your friends. Thanks so much.